Hey everyone, how you doing? I wanted today to tell you a quick story about something that happened to me about a week ago. It taught me a valuable lesson, and it's actually pretty funny and also quite embarrassing too. But what happened is that my wife bought me a jumper for my my birthday, and it didn't quite fit, and I had credit. I had to go and take it back within 7 days or whatever it was. It was the Christmas sales, post-Christmas sales. So I was wanting to grab myself a bargain, and I walked into the shop, and this suave gentleman kind of said hello, and gave me some epic service and showed me where I could exchange, what I should exchange for. And I found a nice jumper that was similar to the one my wife bought me, but just fit a little bit better, and I was happy with that. And he said, okay, well, we've got some brand new jeans in from Replay. They're this special new material. They fit you like a glove. It feels like you're wearing tracksuit pants, and you're gonna love them. And I was like, okay, I'll try them on, and we'll see what happens. And I tried them on and I loved them. And I was kind of like, okay, I'm gonna get these. And I was thinking the price was around £100 or something like that for a new pair of Replay jeans. And it was much more expensive than that. But let me tell you what happened after I decided that I was going to get them. So I handed him my jumper and the jeans that I just tried, and said, okay, I'll take them. But I was thinking in the back of my mind, these jeans could be quite expensive. I'm not going to take them when I get to the till if they are, stupidly priced, okay? Because I had a hint something was happening here. And what happened next was, just about as I was going to pay, he intercepted me and he said, why don't you come and try on this new jacket we've had in from Italy? You're not going to get it now, I don't think, because it's expensive and it could be for next winter, but it's brand new and it's just beautiful. Try it on. So I walked up and I tried it on, and he was right. This was like just handmade, epic Italian suit that just fit like a glove, and I just wanted to buy it straight away. And he's like, Dan, that looks awesome on you. But you don't have to buy it now. And I was like, you're right. £995, he said. And I was like, oh God, I can't, I don't want to spend that much on a jacket. In fact, I probably never will. That's just the way that I am. But he said, okay, well, maybe next year, maybe next winter, when, you put some money away or whatever. But he knew I wasn't going to buy it. And this is the trick. So I continued on to the till to pay for my my jeans and my jumper, and I asked how much my jeans were, and he said £180. And I'm like, oh my God, for jeans that expensive, what am I going to do? But then I had the reference, the pre-frame that I had from this guy was, I just tried it on a £997 jacket. And when he'd done it that way and showed me something that was much more valuable than my jeans, I was forced to really just take the jeans, because it made me feel like a real tight ass for not investing a measly £180 in a pair of jeans. And they're the most expensive pair of jeans that I've ever bought in my life. And it didn't hit me until about half an hour later, as I was walking back to my car, that I thought, wow, this guy was good. This guy has done this before. And I was a victim of just sales tactics that work. There's no doubt about that. And a book that I've read that explain, and I shouldn't have fallen for this, because I've read a whole book on this. Robert Cialdini's Influence book is incredible, where he tells hundreds of stories like this, where people have used unfair tactics in sales to be able to, unethically sell. I mean, that was ethical what he did to me, but there's ways that you can play the system a little bit. It's a fascinating book. And you can also relate it to your business if you're running an agency, or a pay-per-lead agency, or a retainer-based agency, or anything where you're selling a service. It might be a good idea when you are pricing your services. You should have a service that is just so expensive that no one's ever really going to take it. Okay, it could be that it's your prime quality lead, or your full package that's a ridiculous amount that no one's ever going to pay. But if that's the first price you go in when you're negotiating with clients or trying to sell your services, and they say no, that's too expensive. Well, on the other hand, Mr. Client, I have a pricing structure which may be more suited to you, which is still more than you expected to get from them. And I've seen this work time and time again. I'm just ashamed and embarrassed that I fell for it in real life. So if something like this has happened to you, post below this video and tell me what happened, or whether you've used a similar tactic to close some big sales. But it's fascinating stuff. I've got an expensive pair of jeans. I might wear them in the next video for you guys to see. But that's my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Chat soon.